fun part is trying to get all these wires over. These are the ducts that send air all across the camper. Since we're not using these anymore, this might be a great place to house that. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking a picture of how things are wired so I can wire them back together properly. Now for the next order of events, I'm going to have to cut the power to this camper. Then shut it off here. And I'm going to go outside and unplug it. And I'm going to make sure it is off at the battery. And we are good. Got the brackets on. No. AC unit. Take them out. Ew, gross. We're gonna have to clean this up. It's not that heavy, but it's heavy enough for me to be worried about it.
Yay!
Down she goes.
Hello?
Hi. How are you doing down there? Enjoy your skylight while you can. So now I have to do something about that wiring mess. These little blocks are going to be really important when I try to tack up the bottom of the fan to this roof. I'm going to keep all my blocks to the side. Now, I got to figure out how to get all my wiring over here better. So a bunch of cool things happened when I was installing this. I was able to pull this way and get a lot of slack and able to move these wires over without having to add crimps and add extensions. The next thing is the fan comes with these hookups. So what I'm doing now is I'm installing one in with the plug. And I used my picture that I took earlier to make sure I was hooking up the wires properly. And now I'm going to crimp on the male ends. Alright. Moment of truth. Hook it up. Switch on our converter. And we're going to press the start button. And there is our fan. I'm so happy. Everything's working right now. So now we just got to secure it to the roof, secure it to the ceiling, and we'll be done. The old AC unit had gasket all the way around, which sealed it to the roof to keep it from leaking. And where this part sits is where it's completely clean on the camper. So this will fit perfectly, and I don't have to cut it like I had to do the last one.
Cool.
Yeah, no. It's awesome. I made sure I cleaned this off. There's some staining. Not a whole lot I could do about that. So I'm applying tacky tape first. You can find this in the metal roofing section at Home Depot. This will create a watertight seal to go around the harness here for the fan. So now I'm going to apply leveling sealant. Now I'm done playing on the roof. Now what I need to do is measure from the bottom of this fan to the top of the ceiling board. I have 3 inches at all 4 corners. I measured it 3.5 so it can actually get behind here a little bit. This is what I'm cutting. This is the cover here, and I'm using a drywall blade to cut it. Like so. And that is a wrap. Mission complete.
It's been recording, hon.
Oh.